Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am gonna show you how to lock any application on your Android device. Before starting the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video, so let's get started. First of all, pull down your notification bar and go to Settings. From here, scroll down and go to Apps. Then you will find the App Lock option. If you don't find it here, don't worry. Just go back and search for App Lock. As you can see, I have found this option. So just click on it. Now click Turn On. Draw a pattern here. Confirm it again, then tap Next. If you are a Xiaomi user, you will get a message like this. Here, just click on Not Now. Wait a few seconds and click Not Now again. Then, click Use App Lock. Now, in the list of apps, select which app you want to lock. Suppose I just want to lock WhatsApp, so I am gonna enable it. Let me show you. If I try to open my WhatsApp application, as you see, it's asking for the pattern. If I draw it, it will unlock. From here, click on Settings, and in the Lock settings, you can choose the locking time when it should lock. If you enable Unlock all apps at once, then if you unlock one app, it will unlock all the other apps. From the Hide Notifications option, if you enable it, it will hide notifications for the locked application. Okay. From here, you can add a face to unlock. And if your device has a fingerprint sensor, you will also get the fingerprint option here. From here, you can add your fingerprint to unlock the app. So that's about App Lock. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video.